Thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, just above your collarbone. Thyroid hormones control the rate of many activities in your body. These include how fast you burn calories and how fast your heart beats. Thyroid disorders are very vast on their own, which needs regular treatment. But apart from medications, some yoga asanas have proved to be beneficial in reducing hypothyroidism. The following yoga poses focus on stimulating the throat. They are thought to improve circulation as well as stretch and strengthen the neck where the thyroid is located. USTRASANA. USTRASANA or camel pose is a kneel-down back-bending asana. The front of the body, including the chest, abdomen and quadriceps, get a complete stretch, thereby strengthening your back muscles, hamstrings and buttocks. This pose can stimulate the thyroid gland by stretching the neck and increasing blood circulation in the gland. Practicing this yoga pose for thyroid can also help in relieving issues of the spine. USTRASANA not only improves respiration by opening up the chest but also improves digestion and elimination by expanding the abdominal region. BANDHASANA. A basic backbend pose, BANDHASANA is excellent for toning the muscles of the thoracic region. Consistent practice of this asana strengthens the back, hamstrings and buttocks, relieves symptoms of menopause, stimulates the thyroid gland, and helps in reducing stress and anxiety. This asana also helps in reducing depression, stress, and anxiety and calms the brain. The bridge yoga pose should be avoided by women who are nearing the end of their pregnancy. HALASANA. The pose resembles the Indian plow, hence it is called HALASANA. HALASANA helps in the proper functioning of the thyroid gland by compressing the area of the neck and the thyroid. This pose also helps in strengthening abdominal muscles and back muscles along with relaxing the autonomous nervous systems. It also calms the brain and reduces stress and fatigue. This pose benefits the spinal cord, which starts from the neck and goes deep down to the tailbone. HALASANA regulates the activities of the thyroid and pituitary glands. MATSYASANA. MATSYASANA or fish pose makes your back arch in a way that it increases blood circulation in the thyroid gland. It relieves a lot of tension in the area. The pose is done by inverting the head. It stretches and opens up the throat, chest, shoulders and abdomen. It also improves postures and relieves stress. It helps in stimulating two important areas of the body. First is the throat chakra, which relates to communication and self-expression, and second is the crown chakra on top of your head, which is tied to wisdom and knowledge. BHUJANGASANA. This pose is a part of a very beneficial Surya Namaskara. This pose stretches the neck and throat region, thereby increasing thyroid functioning. People with back pain or neck pain should also do BHUJANGASANA as it helps in strengthening and toning of muscles. During this pose, there is a lot of compression and stretching which helps in regulating the thyroid glands. It helps in improving breathing and increases circulation in the neck region. A stressful lifestyle can also be a major contributor to thyroid, but it can be managed by indulging in peaceful yoga sessions every morning. Yoga asanas are considered to be an effective natural remedy for dealing with thyroid disorders. While it may not be able to cure the condition instantly, it can help in keeping the glands healthy and regulate metabolism, thereby preventing any further complications.